In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in your GA4 or Google Analytics 4 reports. This skill is essential if you want to hone in on specific data points and gain deeper insights into your website's performance. Let's get started right away. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google homepage. If you're not signed in already, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This is usually found in the top right corner of your screen. From there, choose the Google account you wish to use and enter your password to log in. Remember, ensuring you're logged into the correct account is crucial, as Google Analytics data is tied to specific emails. Once logged in, look at the top right corner again and click on the Google Apps menu. It's a small grid or set of dots icon next to your profile picture. In the drop-down menu that appears, scroll through and select Google Analytics. If it's your first time accessing this, you might have to navigate through your apps, but it will soon become second nature. Now that you're in Google Analytics, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you will find the Reports section. Click on Reports, and this is where things start to get interesting. You'll see a range of reporting tools at your disposal, but for our lesson today, click on Business Objectives. This section is particularly useful because it helps align your analytics with specific goals you're aiming to achieve. Here, select the report you want to filter. In our example, we're looking at pages and screens. To isolate particular data, we need to add a filter. You'll find the Add Filter button somewhere towards the top. Click on it. This is your gateway to filtering your reports according to what matters most to your analyses. Once you click Add Filter, a panel will appear providing various options to customize your filter. Start by adding your dimension. Dimensions are attributes of your data, like city, page, or product category. Choose the dimension relevant to your analysis. This initial step in filtering is crucial in segmenting the data efficiently. Then go ahead and add your match type. This could range from exact matches to regular expressions depending on how precise you want your filter to be. Understanding match types can dramatically enhance the accuracy of your data filtering. Finally, enter the value you wish to filter by. This is specific to your previously selected dimension and will return data that aligns perfectly with the criteria you've outlined. Ensure that your value is correctly entered to prevent discrepancies in your report. Once you have entered all this information, it's time to apply the filter. Click on Apply, and that's it. Your report should now display only the data defined by the parameters you set, making it easier for you to analyze relevant information. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to filter data in your GA4 reports. With some practice, these steps will become a natural part of your data analysis routine. Until next time, happy analyzing.